The last round of Saina Nehwal race for Prep B boys, and the participants are Ved Sutaria, Wilfi Shah, Harmandeep Singh and Daksh Shah. All the best, boys. Give this round your best. Smash it for 10 times. Another round to come up. Don't forget the smashing 10 times. Good going. Born on June 30, 1985 in Baltimore, Maryland, Michael Phelps competed in his first Olympic at the age of 15 as part of the US men's swim team. He went on to win medals at the Olympic Summer Games in Athens, Beijing and London, accumulating a total of 22 medals, 18 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze, and setting the record for the most medal wins by an Olympic athlete. Phelps also set the all-time single Olympic gold medal record, surpassing swimming Mark Spitz's 1972 record of 7 golds. He had won his 14th career gold medal, the most gold won by an Olympian. And now we have before you our DPSC young swimmers with the category Michael Phelps race for Prep A and B girls. And the participants are Dishita Chaudhary, Hiya Patel, Sara Punawala, Sunaina Chaudhary, Akshara Bhutwala and Fatima Halari. Give it your best, girls. The same rule applies, kicking 10 times. Remember,
competition
swim to your best. Faster, faster. Show your skills, girls. Swim to the show. And to the finish line. The next round for Michael Phelps race for Prep A boys, and the participants are Prajwal Mehta, Hetab Kapoor, Rehan Kapadia, Ansh Rakholia, Daksh Dilala and Akshat Bhattacharya.
આવે પછી સીધું બધા છોકરાને સાથે આજે 11:30 બધાને
The last round for Michael Phelps race for Prep B boys, and the participants are Devarsh Mehta, Lakshya Patel, Rishit Darshan and Ankit Kangwani. All the best, boys. Swim faster. Come on, kick. Come on, you can do it. Swim with the board. Uh-oh. That's doing again.
Kumar Solanki is an Indian world champion wrestler who won the gold medal in the 66 kg freestyle competition at the 2010 World Wrestling Championships, which made him the first Indian to win back-to-back individual Olympic medals. On July 2009, he received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's highest honor for sportspersons. Showcasing before you the female wrestlers of Prep A and B, the Sushil Kumar race for Prep A and B girls, and the participants are Arya Modi, Khadija Unwala, Shivanshi Jha, Lavanya Khatri and Twija Choksi. All the best, girls! Come on, run forward and knock down your opponent. That's the way. Race to the finish line. Great going, wrestlers.
Once again, the Sushil Kumar race for Prep A boys, and the participants are Ahmed Kapadia, Ahmed Motiwala, Burhanuddin and Man Libachia. Show your skills, boys. Your opponents are waiting for you. Come on. Wrestle with them.
5 opponents and 3 wrestlers.
Race to the finish line. That's it.
And the last round of Sushil Kumar race for Prep B boys. And the participants are Prayag Waghani, Purvansh Waghani, Veer Mehta and Samyak Rajpal. All the best.
Knock down your opponents. Got confused, right? Complete the race. Faster, faster. Well done. With this, we come to the end of Prep individual races. And for the next set of races, we hand over the mics to Yojit Bhasin and Bhagwat Tiwari.
Thank you, Sanskriti and Khushi. Hope you all are having a gala time watching our young BPST sports persons portraying the legends of sports arena. We move on to Class 1 individual events.
In his 18-year career, pole vaulter Sergey Bubka set the world record 35 times, won gold medals at 6 consecutive world championships and won an Olympic gold medal in Seoul in 1988. He is widely considered to be the greatest pole vaulter in history and is the only person ever to clear a bar 20 feet overhead. Bubka does not jump, he flies. Everyone else jumps, but if you want to match him, you must be prepared to fly. A risk-taker, Bubka used poles that some thought were too large for him in his quest for greater and greater height. He made his run dramatically, bending his pole and soaring over the bar with a spectacular style. Presenting before you, DPST pole vaulter in the next category of races, the Sergey Bubka race for Class 1 and B boys. And the participants are Taksh Madhwani, Atharv Mehta, Arnav Mehta, Somil Bikaria, Joy Shah, Kush Nayak, Ronak Mangwani. Come on boys, all the best! Raise your pole high, come on, run fast!
Ali Bufka race for class 1A and B girls. And the participants are Arya Vanani, Dhun Gupta, Gargi Kumar, Anshi Singh, Sana Maqsood. All the best, girls! Run fast, girls! Keep your balls high in the air! Oh! Run faster! Oh, that's the finish line! Keep going, girls!
Muhammad Ali is an American former professional boxer, generally considered among the greatest heavyweights in the sports history. He is one of the most recognized sports figures of the past 100 years, crowned Sportsman of the Century by Sports Illustrated and Sports Personality of the Century by the BBC. Ali remains the only 3 times lineal world heavyweight champion. He won the title in 1964, 1974 and 1978. Between February 25, 1964 and September 19, 1964, Muhammad Ali reigned as the undisputed heavyweight boxing champion. Coming up is the next category, Muhammad Ali race for class 1A and B boys. And the participants are Neer Waraya, Dipayan Pal, Heet Kumar Waraya, Shaurya Diwani, Ayan Patel and Mohammad Maz Sheikh. All of us, boys! Come on, run! One step after, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, move to the next station. Knock down, punch. Move towards the finish line. The next round of Muhammad Ali race for class 1A and B girls. And the participants are Harshi Patel, Kavya Gandhi and Riva Chokshi. All the best, girls. That's it. Go for the first round. Punch the back, 10 times. Come on, move. Move to the next station. Come on, run fast. Punch. Knock it out, come on, move. Run fast.
Leander Paes is an Indian professional tennis player who typically plays in doubles events on the ATP Tour and Davis Cup. Having won 8 doubles and 6 mixed doubles Grand Slam titles and finishing as runner-up in numerous other Grand Slam finals, he is considered to be one of the greatest and most respected contemporary doubles and mixed double players in the world. So here comes Leander Paes race for class 1A and B boys. And the participants are Aditya Desai, Vedant Verma, Devik Shah, Mohammad Azhar, Mohammad Panwala, Veer Sangvi and Mohammad Halari. All the best, boys!
successful female Indian tennis player in history. Sania Mirza is one of the most popular players in the world. A ferocious forehand is the foundation of Mirza's aggressive, power-based baseline style. Sania became the first Indian to win a WTA title when she returned to the city where she was raised to capture the 2005 Hyderabad Championship. An accomplished double player, Mirza has won 18 WTA doubles titles, including the 2011 Indian Wells and Charleston Championships. She partnered Mahesh Bhupati to claim the 2009 Australian Open Mixed Doubles title to become the first Indian woman to win a major title. So here comes the Sania Mirza race for class 1A and B girls, and the participants are Rajvi Chakulashia, Visheshta Joshi, Claire Dantalia, Poovi Vij and Zohar Sheikh. All the best, girls! Run to the first station. The forehand smashing. Come on, do the forehand smashing. The next station. Smash the ball, smash the ball. Move to the finish line.
Michael Jordan, also known by his initials MJ, is an American former professional basketball player. He played 15 seasons in the National Basketball Association for the Chicago Bulls and the Washington Wizards. Michael Jordan is the greatest basketball player of all time. Jordan was one of the most effectively marketed athletes of his generation and was considered instrumental in popularizing the NBA around the world in the 1980s and 1990s. So here we have before you our young players depicting the basketball sport in the unique style, the Michael Jordan race for class 1 and B boys. And the participants are Yuvraj Dhanwani, Kirtan Vekaria, Adil Golwala, Nikhil Nair, Rushi Banatwal and Bhavya Pandey. All the best, boys! Run fast, boys! Come on, shoot the ball in the basket! Faster, faster, run!
Dribble the ball to the finish line. Come on. Oh, don't miss your try. Come on, run to the finish line. Dribble the ball.
Faster, boys!
Oh, don't kick the ball. Come on.
Great work, boys!
Lance Armstrong is one of the greatest road racing cyclists in the history of the sport. He has won the premier event of the sport, the Tour de France, a record 7 times. He is also known for overcoming cancer for his charitable foundation, the Lance Armstrong Foundation. In a similar fashion, our DPST cyclists come forward for this race, the Lance Armstrong race for class 1A and B boys. And the participants are Shaurya Behera, Teer Dave, Kashyap Desai and Atman Patel. Come on, boys! Come on, don't change your track, move fast. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Faster, boys!
of Lance Armstrong race for class 1A and B girls. And the participants are Vriti Patel, Sara Agarwal, Dipanshi Goplani, Shelly Beria and Titi Ahai. Come on girls, move fast, move fast. Race with your opponent, come on.
It seems that the girls are better than boys. Come on girls. Buck up. And now we have before you a mixture of different races with multiple challenges. The players had to cross 3 hurdles, the first with boxing, then weightlifting, and the last hurdle is hockey. The rule is you have to display each sport 10 times and then move on to the next step. The players had to move forward showing their skills on all these 3 sports and race to the finish line.
गोल पोस्ट लगवाना है अभी है ना ये
Here's presenting the race, the multiple icon race for class 1 and B boys. And the participants are Swarnava Biswas, Ayush Rakholia, Harshaman Kheni, Akshansh Pandey, Vedant Gupta, Jahan Nichani and Prem Varlani. All the best boys!
Hockey stick.
Come on, run faster boys! Touch the mat! Touch the mat! Yeah!
Just like a
Go to the next station faster! Weightlifting! Go, weightlifting skills! Run! Do! Come on, be faster! Run! Next station! That's hockey! Come on, be faster, boys! Balance the ball! Great job, boys! Look up, look up!
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champion, take the field down. Unified as we do it, still proud. In the streets, our hands are lifted as we lose our inhibition.
Next is the multiple icon race for class 1A and B girls. And the participants are Asmita Dash, Anushka Banerjee, Yukti Jagwani and Kritika Singhal. All the best girls! Come on to the next station!
Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar is a former Indian cricketer widely acknowledged as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. Tendulkar received the Arjuna Award in 1994 for his outstanding sporting achievement, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997, India's highest sporting honor, and the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan Awards in 1999 and 2008 respectively, India's fourth and second highest civilian awards. After a few hours of his final match on 16 November 2013, the Prime Minister's office announced the decision to award him the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. He is the youngest recipient to date and the first ever sports person to receive the award. In December 2012, Tendulkar announced his retirement from ODIs. He retired from 2020 cricket in October 2013 and subsequently announced his retirement from all forms of cricket, retiring on 16 November 2013 after playing his 200th and final test match against the West Indies in Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium. Tendulkar played 664 international cricket matches in total, scoring 34,357 runs. The next category coming up is the Sachin Tendulkar race for Class 2 boys. And the participants are Aryan Sharma, Param Karia, Shubh Chandani, Kaustubh, Anirudh Mundra, Swayam Marfatia, Varchaz Malik and Hamza Ahmed. Come on boys!
इंडिविजुअल कोई थी अजून ग्रुप बात कशी काय
सर एक लड़का बाहर गया।
Come on, move to the position. Come on, lock the ball 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Move to the next station, boys. Play different shots. Get it back. Come on. Next round for Sachin Tendulkar race for Class 2 girls. And the participants are Priya Jogani, Ananya Tiwari, Yashvi Bhutwala, Sneha Sharma and Anjali Singh. All the best, girls.